have you ever seen a business profile go viral? Like, have you ever seen a meme from Walmart take over the internet, or a meme from like Home Goods Facebook page take over the internet? Like, no, because we can't. We have to play within a set of rules when it comes to professional branding. Some individuals, maybe yes. But that's like, I think that's the perfect thing right there that you said, is like, how do we do that within like the bounds of like being sane and rational? You know, it's a really good question.
Yeah. And that's a question a lot of people ask. And I think the answer to it is understanding like what you said, like what do we mean by viral? Yeah. Because a post can do really well and get 20 shares. Yep. And it's like perfectly viral for like what your expectations should be. Yeah. You know, in your industry, based on, you know, just what the reasonable expectation.